Hello, everyone. Welcome back. Okay, today we will be discussing what is involved and what is contained in a basic estate plan. Now, I'm not discussing trust today, just what's involved in a basic estate plan. One of the documents that is included in a basic estate plan, or should be, is durable power of attorney. What is that? Are you an attorney? No, you're not. But you would need one, and everyone needs one. We discussed before. Do you need one if you're 18? Do you need one if you have no children? Do you need one if you're single? Do you need one if you have no assets? And the answer is yes. So under a durable power of attorney, basically you would be appointing somebody to make financial decisions for you, or to make decisions regarding your property or your assets when you are not able to. When you are incapacitated, or in a vegetative state, or in the hospital, God forbid, but if that happens, you have something in place. You have designated and authorized somebody to make those decisions for you when you're not able to. So if you have Alzheimer's, you've got dementia, or you're in a car accident and sitting in a coma in the hospital and you can't sign those documents, you can't sign those bank statements or those checks, someone is able to do that. Again, if you do not have one in place, there is nothing automatic. Your spouse doesn't just get to do it, or your friend, or somebody else. You would have to go down, not you, but your family would have to go down to the courthouse, file court documents, and the judge will be appointing somebody. And at that point, you do not know if who the judge appoints is the same person who you would have selected. So it's good to get this done now, while you're alive, while you're able, and while you're still thinking. The other document that is part of the basic estate plan is a medical power of attorney, or in other words, a designation of healthcare surrogate. This person who you would choose would be making healthcare decisions for you when you're not able to. Here in America, especially in Florida and all the other states, no one can receive your healthcare information without your authorization. So if somebody happens, or if something happens to you, is somebody authorized to receive that information? Is somebody authorized to make healthcare decisions for you? Should you go in a nursing home? Should you not? Should you receive healthcare assistance at home or somebody else? Or questions and decisions regarding your healthcare? Pick somebody. Retain that control and retain that power, and do it now while you're alive, while you're healthy, and you're able to. The third document, which is also very important, is the Florida Living Will, or the Healthcare Directive. And this concerns and in regards to those instances when your brain is dead, or you are in a vegetative state and your body and brain are no longer functioning properly. And the issue is regarding, is it your desire to be kept on artificial means, to prolong your life artificially? Do you wish to do that? For how long? Is it certain days? Is it certain months? Who will be making that decision for you? You get to pick now, and you should pick now who will be making those decisions. If you remember, though, a long time ago, there was the Terry Schiavo case. The husband did not want Terry to stay on artificial assistance. The parents did. And a legal battle ensued. It went all the way up to the Supreme Court. That can all be avoided. Your family would be dealing with enough when you're at that point of incapacitation. And one way to avoid additional emotional conflict and pain is to have these documents in place. Get your estate planning in place. It doesn't have to be fancy, but at least get your basic documents in place. And the last document that is incorporated in your basic estate plan is your will. And basically that tells the court, it tells the judge, who do you wish to receive your assets, how, and when. Some people disinherit certain individuals in their will, and some people designate who and what will get it. Again, if you do not have one in place, the state has one for you, and it may not be what you wish to have. So all of these incorporating your basic estate plan could potentially avoid family conflict and keep you out of court. I encourage you to get your basic estate planning done. If you have any other questions, we'd be happy to answer them. Either jot a comment down below or email us at support@soleilalaw.com, or my personal email, diana@soleilalaw.com. Until then, take care, be safe, and stay healthy.